A Jamaican man is facing 20 years for illegally re-entering the United States.
Yeah, Ron Marley, Deep Roots TV. Listen up, Sid. Rastafari.
Yeah, greetings and salutations, ladies and gentlemen. You know it's your favorite Jamaican, it's Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. As Vanessa Roberts Avery, United States Attorney for the District of Connecticut, today announced that JASON Caston Williams, also known as Jason Fitzgerald, and Terry Barrington Stewart, 50, a citizen of Jamaica, plead guilty yesterday before U.S. District Judge Omar Williams in Hartford to illegally re-entering the United States after being deported. Me want know I was nice so in a foreign, some man can get kicked out and them fight for come back in a it and get catch and get locked up again. Imagine you're getting arrested for re-entering a country that you already been deported from, according to court documents and statement made in court. Williams was admitted to the U.S. as a lawful permanent resident October 82. In June 1991, Williams was convicted in Connecticut State Court for robbing someone and got a second-degree robbery charge. He received a sentence 10 years in prison, and the execution suspended, and a 5-year of probation for that offense. He subsequently violated the probation, and March of 1997, he was sentenced to 3 years in prison. September 1997, Williams was convicted in New York of burglary, second-degree criminal possession of weapon, and received a sentence of 30 months or 5 years, up to 5 years. In May 2001, after immigration judge ordered Williams removed, he was deported to Jamaica. Williams unlawfully returned to the United States October 20, 2022 and was arrested by Newark police charged with second-degree assault related to use of a knife in assault another individual. On October 11, 2023, he was convicted of the charge, sentenced to 5 years in prison, suspended after 2 years and 3 years of probation. Sentences which is not scheduled. Williams faced a maximum term of imprisonment of 20 years for illegal re-entering. He is currently detained. The matter has been investigated by the United States Department of Homeland Security, Immigration and Customs Enforcement. The case is being prosecuted by the Assistant U.S. Attorney, Sean Patel. This man right here, him have so many names. Me not even sure which name of him still in our people. Them say it's JASON Caston Williams, also known as Jason Fitzgerald, and Terry Barrington Stewart. He's a 50-year-old Jamaican citizen. He was deported from the United States of America. You are going to May of 2001. And find himself back in the United States October 2022. So he spent about 21 years out of the country. Why would you find it necessary to go through the hustle and the bustle? So many people do it. You got your chance already, and you mash it up, and you get defeated, you get deported, and see there, you circle the people them place again, and get in, and then get charged again. And that's some avoidable charge. You can see, I don't like say, it was like a accident, and you did like vehicular manslaughter, and because of it, you have to get kicked out. But you're doing silly things. Yaganti, we don't understand how some people in the world want the chance when you get and can't get it, and when you don't get the chance, you muck it up so well. I mean, assault with knife, robbery with weapon, second degree, violation of probation, possession of weapon, multiple charges. You find yourself in America from the 80s when the world was totally different, and here you are 2020 when you should have all your US citizenship or your nationality straightened out. Now you're behind bars and a deportation again you are worried about. Ladies and gentlemen, no we're no better than yard. Here you have a man that's definitely a fraud because him have multiple names. JASON CASTON WILLIAMS, also known as Jason Fitzgerald, and Terry Barrington Stewart. Are 3 people this man is. You aganti? 3 people. Are him them call they them. For real. I must him them call they them. A Jamaican man facing 20 years after illegally re-entering Uncle Sam place. The AC of foreign must sweet. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment. Make me know if you go foreign from 80s. Get deported in a 2021. You wouldn't fight for go back a foreign in a 2022? After you go, excuse me, you forward 82 a foreign. You get dip 01, 2001, not 21, 2001. You don't find yourself in a situation where you have faced 20 years again because you re-enter 21 years later. Ridiculous. Sometimes people, when you get dipped, you just have to steer your yard. Nothing better than the abroad. The water and the air even more polluted. Good luck to you, youth. Me don't know what your name. Me can't tell the truth because I 3 different names you have. At 20 years, this a Jamaican ya, I go a foreign go do. Are the first set of people me say. All when them no go a foreign, them do illegality if you get a lock up in a foreign prisoner, so they love foreign. The land of barren. Rather to be free on the hillside than lock up in any jail cell. And more life, more joy. Leave your comment on this one. Would you bother if you try go back to America if you get deported in a 2001? Would you? Boy, I don't think we can say him determined. More life and more joy. Big up on yourself, my family and friends. So from them X with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them X with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them X with the thunder, them got to mix with the world. And they so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flash it like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flash it like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them fret and kill, look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs full of say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rastaman and a real fire king. Boy, fire king, Rastafari soldier, fire king. Yeah, balalang ben, akawal yeah. Pick up people, Stevie.